Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to introduce a brand new product, our officially licensed Ford floor mats for the 65 through 96 Ford trucks. This mat is a great reproduction of the original Ford Accessory floor mat once available at dealerships. Expertly molded from black durable rubber, featuring the Ford script, so your truck can look just as it did when it was new. It is the perfect period-correct detail that also offers modern durability and a much better option than the typical universal fit aftermarket mat. Our mats are proudly licensed by the Ford Motor Company, ensuring genuine factory quality fit and finish. For all two-wheel drive models, installation is a breeze. Just lay the mat in place and it will cover the entire floor, including the transmission hump. And if you own a truck with a manual floor shift or four-wheel drive, or if you just prefer the individual mats, this mat also features molded cut lines on the back, just like the Ford originals, allowing you to cut and separate it into left and right mats. If you use the factory cut line, it will trim the mat between the first and second rib. To keep a consistent border width, you can also cut in the groove after the second rib on the front side of the mat. So give your interior a fresh new look with our brand new full-width Ford script floor mat. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your classic Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.